Assalamu alaikum playgroup class. Hope so you all are fine with the blessing of Allah Almighty. Today our topic is match the same pictures. So first of all of you take your pencil and complete this task with me. Okay students, let's start. The first picture is butterfly. This is a butterfly. Let's see where is the second picture of butterfly which is similar to it. Here is the second picture of butterfly which is similar to it. Now we will match the butterfly with the same picture like this. The next picture is cake. This is a cake. Let's see where is the second picture of cake which is similar to it. Here is the second picture of cake. Now we will match the cake with the same picture like this. The third picture is ant. This is an ant. Students, let's see where is the second picture of ant which is similar to it. Here is the second picture of ant. Now we will match the ant with the same picture like this. The next picture is egg. This is an egg. Let's see where is the second picture of egg which is similar to it. Here is the second picture of egg. Now we will match the egg with the same picture like this. The last picture is dog. This is a dog. Let's see where is the second picture of dog which is similar to it. Here is the second picture of dog. Now we will match the dog with the same picture like this.